this. There's banana chips. Perfect snack for my little pet. Come on, let's go. Alright, he might be in here. I think we can see him in there. He might be in there. Look at him. He's in the little box. Hi, little guy. Successfully box monster. What happened to you, bro? What happened to you, bro? What happened to you, bro? I might have to run now. I think he's a wild banana. Oh no! It's a wild banana! I gotta run! Ah! It's a wild banana. I have to run.
I was not your pet box monster. I was just the evil banana.
It's the evil banana guy! No! It's the evil banana! I'm stuck.
I'm gonna touch you.
No! It's the evil banana!
I'm gonna touch you.